We are underway in game number 3 and it starts out with a service ace from the captain.
Natin, coming in from the first game, of D-League that I saw them to now this
continues for the Lady Tamaraws as Encarnacion sends it to Ubaldo. Another quick play for Gina Aziz.
ako masabi. She's just showing it.
Wow, Gina Aziz. 6-3 FEU, Bacangke. Gets that off the deflection. Pero ito ay si Reg Jurado. Cross court is good.
Definitely.
Kung nakuha ng UST yung championship in game number 2, walang duda.
For this finals MVP title.
One of them is Gina Aziz. Jurado setting up Poyos, and Poyos finds the line in zone 6. Directly cost them the game. Now she's back, and she needs to work double time. That's going to be an ace. Coming from Jonah Perdido. Here's Lopez. Carvalho. Combination play again. Poyos sends UST.
Kailangan, mabigat agad yung serve mo para more time ka sa likod.
Ma-contribute ka man lang, ano?
Exactly. Hindi yung pwedeng pag-serve mo, error agad. Tapos
serving for the Lady Tamaraws, almost an ace. Carvalho, the back set, and there is Reg Jurado.
Napakabilis, and the angle that she hit it,
yeah.
Iwas na iwas sa blockers.
11-10 UST, set number 1. Almost put away. Great save by Perdido. Ubaldo, hinulog. Nandun naman si Det. Back set ngayon. Perdido can't score. Long rally ongoing. Here's Lovely Lopez down the line.
Yan, that sequence.
14-12. Oh, kasi Carvalho ng gulan. Pinakamaganda boses.
Sino?
Si Bianca Plaza.
Ay,
talagang
wow.
inagaw niya yung mikropono. Bianca Plaza, of course, not playing. She is not in uniform.
And now, para nakikita na natin na she's getting comfortable in that role.
Well, almost another score by Gina Aziz. Tracked down by UST. They'll go to Cheney this time against the 2 blockers. Naunahan na finally ni Tagalog. Blockers.
Because the tendency for that is yung middle attacker nga that they're having.
Perdido. That's a sharp hit. Dug up there by Ubaldo, who had 10 digs in game number 2. Perdido tries again. Nakapangan na ni Bacangke at saka ni Aziz. Take the lead into our second technical timeout on that help play between Perdido almost getting that one through. Defense of FEU holding through. Oh, wow. Angge Poyo. 4 straight points of their own. Tandaan natin, UST went on a 5-0 run earlier as Faida Bacangke. What a serve by Cheney Tagalog. 5-23 win for UST in set number 1 as we see that grab ace of the set. Kaya pala natin talunin to.
That's true, and UST sweep yan sila.
Yes.
Imagine, yung first loss mo is yung first 6, halos kalahati ng first 6, may award.
And even in the UAAP, they're all recognized. Here's the reigning rookie of the year sa UAAP natin sa UP. Siya yung naging setter in the 5th set nung nakuha nila yung panalo against the University of the Philippines. Here is Poyos getting that off the block. Lopez. Her serve is on the line and a challenge. Lopez again. Perdido. Carvalho getting it over to Angge Poyos again. 3-point actually. Petalio now in front. Can't get her first point. It is Encarnacion who now sets to Eliza de Bosora, who ties it up. Galing likod. Lopez. They'll go to Jonah. And Jonah gets it down the line. And now for FEU. Perdido tries to power through. They'll go back to Jonah. And naabangan na siya ni Aziz at
yung kanyang system.
Pepito barely gets to that one. Perdido cross court. Too strong. And the Far Eastern University when we return. So, gitna ulit para kay Aziz. Now they go to Cheney Tagalog. Carvalho back set. Jurado. 3-0 UST.
Hacker ng UST is Poyos and then Jurado.
That's also a great set by Cassie Carvalho. So it is 3-0 in favor of UST and 4-0 now is a good 3 for UST here in the second set. Oh, wow, where did that come from? Lovely Lopez.
Even if we win against against FEU nung mga panahon ko, I always think that FEU is such a tough opponent.
Right. It's masasabi natin, it's identity in the UAAP. Whereas UST already established, FEU already established, and a single block established by Just Early of the National University. Running attack for Althea. Something new. Lopez gives up the sky ball. They'll go back to Althea on the run once again. Ubaldo, combination, Petalio. Sabi ni Althea dito.
Doon, but Althea's block
is the block of the set. Actually, it's the Carvalho.
Si Carvalho pa yung mas maliit
sa
blocking. Pero yung timing nila, pagdating sa block, perfect.
And like that, Jers Petalio. Nasa men's game dati.
Makino-convert na.
Oo, Rayson Fuentes from middle to center din. Sinusubukan din before.
Hindi ko maalala. Mamaya, pag naalala ko yung pangalan.
NU.
NU din siya.
Off speed. Lopez. Ahoy! Nagmula ni coach.
Position and yung galaw
Right,
ng athletes.
That's a block point though for Jazz Eliarina. Backset ngayon, Jurado, down the line, Binuhay. Played off the net by FEU. Petalio gets it across. Pepito, Carvalho, going to Jurado once again. And it's still alive. They'll try it again. Nasa tres na tumitira ito si Jurado. They'll go to Faida. And Faida gets it between Pepito in the middle of a 4-0 run. As they take the second technical timeout lead, 16-14. Also the center of the men's team. Actually, naalala ko sa isang interview ni Megan. Who slams the door on Bacan. Ubaldo. Dito, although masasabi mo, you put 2 and 2 together, Tina Salak, one of the greatest setters of all time. And then you have Tito Ubaldo sa other. Monares. Ubaldo. Naabangan si Eliarina.
Middle attackers everywhere you go. Parang you also have to see na mahirap din yung adjust.
Around. Lead is down to 1. Lopez dug up by Pepito. That's a little near for Poyos, but she doesn't care. Angge Poyos has tied. Patay. Ubaldo, nakapatay ba? Hindi. Poyos. Petalio. Great block by this block by Margaret Althea, which is the grab block of the set.
Her way in this game 3.
Reception here for the Lady Tamara, Sana. They'll go to Poyos, and Poyos goes to town. This is the UST rather. This is a 6-1 run for the Golden Tigresses.
Kanina kasi napako sila. Tapos nagising.
Nagising si Poyos. Eliarina.
Pumalo din, bumuelo.
One hand set. Poyos in trouble. Pepito sending it back to Angge. Goes down the line is good. And even this. Ang pilis talaga eh. That's for UST. Combination play again. Poyos. Marga Encarnacion is there. Petalio. Inabol ni Poyos. Althea does the setting now for Poyos. And even Althea. Gets Angge Poyos to the MVP.
She's the MVP of the conference. They need the same intensity.
Isa lang daw ang kailangan ni Carvalho. As she served on this service ace by the center, Cassie Carvalho. We had a block from Carvalho, we had a block from Poyos, so it was blocking by committee as Angge Poyos gets that off the hands of the... Here's Chenny Tagao, she's back in. Carvalho could not keep that alive properly, but they still send it to Poyos. Lopez, Ubaldo, chin assist.
Pinapakita niya.
Right, that is an immediate Jiangnan attack of the set. Hatpat ba? Attack na sa Jiangnan. Full complement of challenges for this third set. Poyos. Off speed. Lopez. Carvalho goes back to Angge. Nakampag si Faida.
Alam mo,
nakita natin ang grab block of the set. Sabi ni Faida Bacangke, saan ka pupunta? Little naman. Carvalho and a single block by Asis. And Coach Kung Fu wants to talk things over. In his eyes, medyo lumalamya na naman ang atake ng kanyang mga bata. That's one of the usual starters para kay Coach Kung Fu.
Best blocker yan eh.
Yes. Out of position, Bacangque. They'll go to Poyos. Sinubo na ni Poyos sa blockers. Kept alive by Encarnacion. Carvalho. Poyos again. Habol. Hinabol na. Everybody cleared out for the FEU bench. Jurado. Bacangque. Jurado off the block. Bacangque. Poyos. Palakasan pa. Ganda nung umalis lahat ng occupants ng bench ng FEU para lang maabutan nila. FEU up by 4. Carvalho. Oh, Perdido finding the line. Again, Margaret Altea has to play double time as we see again. Yung palo doon ni Jonah Perdido.
Hindi mo pwedeng dalhin yun. Kasi kahit gano'n mo pa na-sweep.
Asis on the delay. Langer din kasi. And,
kasi akala ko maling timing.
that was a score for FEU.
Ang timing play pala.
Oo. Delayed niya lahat. Oh, ayan na. Tinobaldo. Sa pa yan, yung mga setter ng UST, that's following a very long line of successful setters as we have a successful attack. Faida with the right hand. Perdido getting that one through the block.
Luxury na yung 2 points
You're
dito
right.
sa game na to.
Assist!
Wow!
Sabay. Sakto lang. Carvalho humabol. Perdido again off the block. This time, victim of Aiza Pontillas. Petalio. Surprising.
Maganda din yung pinakita niyang performance in the game 1 and game 2 whenever
Right.
she was called in to play.
6-footer.
Good defense.
And she saves it. Devosora gets it across. Combination play. Poyos. That is off the block of Ubaldo. Points to take a 2-1 lead. Ubaldo. Jenny Tagaud finally making some noise. This time it's not an ace. And this time Jenny Tagaud has an answer. Yanni Fernandez. Good serve by Tagaud. Jurado. Oh, nobody there. Set away from the championship. Can they get it done? Or will FEU force a 5th set? Malalaman po natin yan when set number 4 happens. Sa amin po. Bacangque. Pepito sending it to Poyos off the double block.
Kaya pala may
Lopez. With an ace. In an ace. Back set, Jurado. Off the hands.
Ang layo na niya.
Layo eh. That also comes to Miranda. Who does she choose? Goes to Loresco. Carvalho, galing likod. Poyos!
Hindi mo pwede.
Back set ngayon, Jurado. She has been held in check today. Loresco!
Use the...
Oo. Quick play, Altea. Naunahan si Loresco.
Lalo na kung game 3 ka of championship, kailangan yung stamina mo very strong. Pwede to ends that sequence.
And Altea. Uy! Masasagip pa yan. Di nagkaintindihan yung dalawa that time. Back set ngayon. Jurado off the block. UST is now. See this one again. Bukang-buka pa yung blockers nila eh. No move yet from Tina Salak to change this lineup as Loresco almost scores. Petalio. Loresco finally puts it away. Pepito. Perdido. Jurado adjusting. Oh, Perdido couldn't get it though. They'll go to the back for Poyos. Send it backwards just like this. For our Jiangnan attack of the set. Hatpat ba? Attack na. Short serve by Red Jurado.
If she loses her focus, everybody follows.
Oh, wow. How about that slam dunk? Galing
The answer is ilalim.
oh, Carvalho tries another magic trick. Encarnacion gives up another sky ball. Pepito. Carvalho chooses Poyos. Cross court is good. Play Noel Zarate. Ana Copico. Megan Cabrera from the Field Sports Arena, Pasig City, Philippines. Ubaldo. Carvalho goes to Poyos. Off the hands again of Gabe Poyos. Can do.
No miscommunication, no room for errors.
And Asis lets out her frustration. Baldo iniwan para kay Asis. Oh!
Ay,
hurdling
Lord.
and almost a violation there coming from Carvalho. Baldo. Macante.
So the same can happen to UST with that, incident with Arasan.
And again, Poyos is the...
But it's also difficult if walang defense yung kakampi mo.
Oh,
Pero,
goodness.
kung may atake ka na gano'n.
Dito na
Toss
ako.
for Poyos. Gano'n.
Anything.
Tsaka
Sharp
idol
serve,
ko yan,
yeah.
yung mga yan.
Oo naman. Perdido. Baldo going to Petalio and barely saved by Pepito. Better defense now for FEU. Tagaod. They'll go to Jonah once again. Petalio. Who does Carvalho go to? She goes to Pia Abu. Petalio cross court, dug up. Carvalho goes to Perdido. One more time for Jonah. Cross court, sharp angle. Ubaldo sets it up for George Petalio. Poyos. Ubaldo, quick play para kay Asis. Pepito goes to Jurado. Cross court. Jurado out of position. And she gets it in. University of Santo Tomas will win at the right time.
Ito yung inaabangan nilang confetti moment